This is really cool, Rio.
Right.
It looked cool when I saw it online. I thought it's cool to see it though.
Yeah. And every teacher actually can make their studio very easily. For example,
So how much does the studio cost? Because this is,
No, yeah.
I'm working with a lot of schools who are wanting to have, better recording systems. But I'm thinking this is set up in one room.
Right.
Teachers come and they use it.
Right.
And they record an
Yeah.
hour and then they done, whatever.
Right.
And they're done.
Because this is kind of the lecture machine gun. They
Yes.
come, connect notebook, they
Yeah.
present in
Exactly.
real time. So the production-wise, they have almost real time.
Yeah.
We're emphasizing everything has to be managed by the presenter, so no other person there. He used this mouse. Basically, we don't need actually watching this side. We just watching here, drawing and make a bigger, smaller, and moving right side bigger, smaller. Just rotating the wheel, make a zooming.
Oh, it changes the.
Yeah, if you click right side, then moves the right side moving. If you click middle side, the middle camera action is happening. So if you have a left side, they go to left side and moving up and down.
So what are you doing there? Oops. You're just doing this?
Yeah, just rotation, make her bigger and smaller. So,
Oh, I got it.
yeah, very slowly, just one click. This mouse has some problem with the middle field. Maybe I can change another Logitech. So we give the mouse for them to control everything. This is the controller on the pointer.
Yeah.
Because always they need a pointer, so they can go here. But this menu basically working for setting the studio. For example, I can make a...
So let's say I have a PowerPoint that I want to upload. How would you do that?
just a PowerPoint file and then upload. But actually you bring notebook. And then we connect the cable to notebook.
Oh, and then
So
whatever's
notebook
on the
input-
screen
Yeah.
appears. Okay.
Right.
And that's going to be in one of those windows.
Yes. So we have
And
a
I can
switch
write
here.
on that window using your software.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah, very simple. So for example, now we have a document camera, so immediately we can bring the students there. And then moving this one left side. When your students make a question, we just bring this one bigger, so they make a bi-directional things.
But that could be a dot camera pointing downward too.
Yeah.
On like a
Whatever
piece
you
of
have a
paper.
USB camera,
Right.
you can do this. So basically we have 4 input. One is a presenter, the other one students, and then document camera and
So you got 4
PowerPoint.
inputs.
Yeah,
So
basically.
there's a box.